Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I wanna going to show you how you can trade and make profit by the cross-point trading strategy. It's very simple and high-winded confirmed by me, and it's need only two indicators to catching out the signal from trading chart. Not only that, you can also use this strategy any kind of trading platform like Forex, crypto, options, and others. So first of all, you have to log in your TradingView account. So I already log in my account. Now I have to select the asset first. So from the asset library, for this setup, I want to trade with Bitcoin USD. So I simply write here BTC, and you can see after right here you will find lot of pair and lot of platforms. So you have to select the exact platform I want to trade on. So you can see right now I am going to trade on Binance. So you can see BTC in Binance platform and it's spot trading. So I want to use this strategy for future trading because future trading has a option for use leverage. So you can see this one is BTC USDT perpetual contract. This chart for futures. So I simply click to change the assets. So now I have to change the time frame. So this strategy you can use for 5 minutes to 30 minutes. It's working nicely. So if you want, you can use other time frame, but the result could be different. So I check this strategy on 5 minutes and 30 minutes. It's working very nicely. Okay, now we have to add our today's two magical indicators. So first indicator name is EMA involved. So I simply write here EMA envelope. After right here EMA envelope, you can see one indicator EMA envelope indicator, a crazy prediction by Lazy Bear, and is right now used by 5,821 active traders. So I simply click to add on my chart. Now I have to add our second indicator, and the indicator name is crossover, and this crossover indicator made by our team. Really, it's working very perfectly, and you will get the indicator for free. Just you have to visit our website tradecleverly.com. So I simply write here tradecleverly. You can see tradecleverly.com. So this is our website for our premium student. So you have to just simply scroll down, and at last you will find our file section, and from here you will see the indicator, and from here you will see an fourth number indicator crossover. So I simply click here and you can see one pop-ups. So I simply select whole code from here and simply copy, and again come back to my TradingView account, and from here find editor, and here I simply remove everything and Ctrl V to paste. And now I have to add to chart. So when I click here, you can see our indicator is working perfectly. So now I have to change some setting for better understanding, and first go with our crossover indicator, and from here and from style I no need the bar color, and from here from input tab I want to change the length to 90, and from style I want to change the uptrend color to green and for downtrend color to red. Also I can increase the opacity for better understanding. Okay, now I have to change some setting for EMA involved. So I simply go to EMA involved settings, and from here first of all I no need the background color, no need the first plot, and no need the second plot as well, and simply change the color to white for better understanding, and also change the thickness and simply save. Alright, we are successfully set up our two indicators. So now let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal using the two indicator combination. So first you can see for crossover indicator here is two color. This is green color and this is red color. The green color means it's uptrend market, and the red color means it's downtrend market. So how to you can make decision using two indicator confirmation. So when you see the green plot, you will find from crossover, you just looking for buy signal, and when you see the red plot, you will get from crossover, you just looking for sell signal. So in here you will receive second confirmation from the EMA involved indicator. So when the price is crossing up the EMA involved line, you have to decide for long position, and when it's crossing down to this EMA involved line, you have to decide for short position. But you have to must remember, you just have to avoid the trade if you see the price is trying to crossing the line like this. For example, you can see in here the price is crossing down, okay, but our crossover says it's uptrend is running, so we just avoid this trade. And then you can see the price is trying to go up, but you can see in here the price is fail lot of time and the price is not crossing up the EMA involved line. Even in here make a order blocks, and after few you can see one candle is successfully crossing up the EMA involved line, and then you can see another green candle and it's a clear buy signal. So if you see every setup match like what I say, you just simply take your buy position here, and your stop loss will be recent below swing low, and your first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss. As you can see, this trade is successfully hitting your profit target 3 even more. So if you have a good risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target as well. So let's see how you can generate sell signal using the two indicator combination. So I simply remove all the drawing. Now let's see how you can generate sell signal using the two powerful indicators. So you can see in here the trend is uptrend. So in here you can see in here the trend is changed and it's going to downtrend. So we are looking for downtrend EMA crossover. From here you can see the price is trying to crossing down the EMA involved line, and after then you can see a green candle. So we avoid the trade in here, and then you can see again a red candle. So it's our sell signal. So we just simply place our sell order here, and the stop loss will be above recent swing high. The first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and the third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss. As you can see, our trade is successfully hitting our profit target 1, 2, even 3, and it's count as another successful trade. And this trade setup is very good for day trading. The risk and reward ratio is very good for this trade setup. So hope you guys learn some exciting thing from today's tutorial. Actually, I don't want to anything else from you except your support, and your support will give us motivation to make new thing. So please give a like to support us, and for future video you can subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question please comment below. So as always, thanks for watching. See you with you next one.